Hey guys, imagine a motorhome so exclusive, so powerful, and so luxurious that vehicles like this are normally built only for presidents, billionaires, and the most powerful people in the world. Now imagine that same level of security, power, and luxury turned into a rolling mansion on wheels. Today, we're looking at something absolutely unbelievable: the Cadillac V12 Motorhome 2027. Concept, welcome back to NextLux Reviews USA. If you're new here and you love luxury vehicles, futuristic motorhomes, and ultra-high-end machines that push engineering to the next level, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family, because on this channel, we explore some of the most insane luxury vehicles ever imagined. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at this beast. The first thing that grabs your attention is the size. This motorhome looks more like a luxury tour bus mixed with a presidential limousine. The deep red vine color immediately makes it stand out. This shade of red has a rich metallic finish that looks extremely premium, and it's actually a color that many millionaires and luxury collectors love because it gives the vehicle a bold but elegant personality. This futuristic motorhome is inspired by the luxury engineering heritage of Cadillac, a brand known across the United States for building some of the most iconic luxury vehicles in history. From presidential limousines to luxury SUVs, Cadillac has always been associated with prestige, power, and comfort. Now, let's start with the front design. The front look of this motorhome feels extremely powerful and aggressive. You can instantly recognize the Cadillac design language with a massive grille stretching across the entire front. The grille has a dark chrome finish with horizontal layers that make the vehicle look wider and more dominant on the road. On both sides of the grille, you'll notice Cadillac's signature vertical LED lighting. These tall LED headlights give the motorhome a futuristic presence, especially at night. The lighting design is sharp and modern, making the entire front end look like something straight out of a high-end concept vehicle show. The windshield is enormous. It stretches across the entire front cabin and gives the driver a panoramic view of the road ahead. When you're driving something this big across American highways, Canadian mountain roads, or the countryside in the UK, that level of visibility becomes extremely important. Moving along the side of the motorhome, the design becomes even more impressive. The body is extremely long, with smooth, clean lines that give it a very elegant look. The red vine metallic paint reflects light beautifully, especially under sunlight or bright showroom lighting. Large tinted windows run across the length of the motorhome. These windows allow passengers to enjoy incredible views during road trips, while also keeping the interior private and cool. This motorhome sits on huge, luxury multi-spoke wheels that look more like something from a high-end performance car than a traditional RV. The chrome finish on the wheels complements the deep red body perfectly because this vehicle is so large. It uses a multi-axle setup that helps improve stability, balance, and safety on long road trips. When traveling across long American highways or Canadian open roads, this design helps keep the ride smooth and controlled. Now let's move toward the rear design. The back of the motorhome continues the same luxury theme. Instead of the typical boxy RV design, the rear feels more like a luxury limousine. A wide LED light bar stretches across the entire back of the vehicle, giving it a futuristic look when the lights turn on at night. Below the rear lighting system, there are large, hidden storage compartments designed for luggage, outdoor gear, travel equipment, and other essentials needed for long road trips. But the real magic begins when you step inside as soon as the door opens. The interior immediately feels like a luxury penthouse apartment. The designers clearly wanted passengers to feel like they were stepping into a five-star hotel rather than a motorhome. Let's start with the dashboard and driver area. The driver cockpit looks modern and extremely advanced. Instead of traditional gauges, the dashboard features large digital displays that show driving information, navigation maps, vehicle performance data, and entertainment controls. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather with polished metal accents. It feels solid and luxurious, giving the driver full control of this massive vehicle. Next to the driver, there's a large touchscreen system that controls almost everything inside the motorhome: lighting, climate control, security systems, entertainment features, and even smart home functions can all be controlled from this panel. The driver and passenger seats are oversized luxury captain chairs with heating, cooling, and massage functions. These seats are designed to make long-distance travel extremely comfortable. Now let's move into the main living area. This space feels open, bright, and extremely comfortable. The living room features large luxury sofas arranged around a modern smart table. Premium leather seating, wooden accents, and soft ambient lighting give the entire area a warm, luxury atmosphere. A large entertainment screen is mounted across from the seating area, turning the lounge into a full mobile cinema. Whether passengers want to watch movies, sports, or relax after a long drive, this space is designed to feel like home. Right next to the living room area, you'll find a beautiful modern kitchen. This kitchen feels more like something you would see in a luxury apartment than in a motorhome. It includes a sleek cooking area with an electric stove, smart oven, refrigerator, and built-in storage cabinets. The countertops have a modern design, and the lighting under the cabinets creates a soft, luxury glow that makes the space feel elegant and inviting. Moving further inside, we reach the washroom. The bathroom is designed with a clean, modern layout. There is a glass shower cabin, a stylish sink with illuminated mirror lighting, and a compact luxury toilet system designed specifically for motorhome living. Everything here is designed to maximize space while still feeling comfortable and premium. And finally, we arrive at the bedroom. The bedroom area is designed for relaxation and privacy. In the center of the room sits a large king-size bed, surrounded by soft lighting and built-in storage compartments. Across from the bed, there is another entertainment screen so passengers can relax and watch movies before going to sleep. Large windows allow natural light during the day, while privacy shades keep the space comfortable at night. Now let's talk about the heart of this machine, the engine. This motorhome is powered by a massive V12 engine. A V12 engine is known for delivering extremely smooth power and incredible performance. Even though this vehicle is enormous, the V12 engine provides more than enough strength to move it easily across highways and long travel routes. The engine produces strong torque, which helps when climbing steep roads or towing extra equipment. On long highways across the United States or Canada, this motorhome would feel powerful, stable, and surprisingly smooth. The suspension system is also designed to absorb road vibrations and bumps, making long journeys extremely comfortable for everyone inside. Now, let's talk about something that really shocks people: the price. Because this motorhome is built with presidential-level luxury, custom engineering, and advanced technology, the estimated price is around $25 million. Yes, $25 million. That makes this one of the most expensive luxury motorhome concepts ever imagined. But when you consider the size, technology, luxury interior, and powerful V12 engine, it becomes clear that this isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling luxury mansion designed for the world's elite. This motorhome represents the ultimate level of road travel. Instead of flying or staying in hotels, owners of vehicles like this can travel across entire countries while living in complete luxury. So when you look at the Cadillac V12 Motorhome 2027 concept, you're not just looking at an RV, you're looking at the future of ultra-luxury travel on wheels. Alright guys, that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this, look at one of the most insane luxury motorhomes ever imagined. Make sure you subscribe to NextLux Reviews USA and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. And before you go, tell me something in the comments. If you had $25 million, would you travel across America in this motorhome? Thanks for watching NextLux Reviews USA. And I'll see you in the next one, where we explore another incredible luxury machine from the future.